All right, I had a request to graph a quadratic of the form f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So it's kind of a lengthy one, but let me go ahead and get started with that. First thing you need to do is find an axis of symmetry and a vertex. So your axis of symmetry is found by using the formula x equals negative b over 2a. Now, if you see A, B, C, A, and B and C here, my A is this 2, my B is this 8, and my C is this negative 1. So I have a negative from the formula and 8 over 2 times the A is 2. That's negative 8 over 4, which is negative 2. That means my axis of symmetry is where all of my x's are negative 2. That is this line right here, this vertical line right here. That is the middle of my parabola. When you have an x squared, you know you're dealing with a quadratic, and you will have a parabola, which looks like a U. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is get the vertex, which is either the minimum or the maximum point. The vertex is found by plugging your axis of symmetry into your equation. So f of negative 2 equals 2 times negative 2 squared plus 8 times a negative 2 minus 1. Negative 2 squared is 4, and 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times negative 2 is negative 16, and then minus 1. 8 minus 16 is negative 8. Negative 8 minus 1 is negative 9. So my vertex is actually at negative 2, negative 9. I use that x and this y. So negative 2, negative 9 on this graph is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right here, it's the lowest point. We call that the minimum. Since this is a positive A, that means my parabola will be going up in the shape of the U. Now, I need to test some other points on this graph to see where this parabola is going to go. So let's test, and I love to test x equals 0 because the math is really super easy and it tells me where it's going to be on this y-axis. So I will say f of 0 equals 2 times 0 squared plus 8 times 0 minus 1. 2 times 0 squared will be 0, and 8 times 0 is 0, so I'm left with a negative 1. My ordered pair will be 0, negative 1. So 0, negative 1 is right here. And the cool thing about parabolas are that they're symmetric. So if there's 2 to the right of the line of symmetry, the axis of symmetry, there'll be 2. There's 1 at the other side that's symmetric. All right, now I'm testing another number to get a bigger parabola. I think I'm going to use the x equals 1 because it's going to be really close, and it's going to get me some number up here. So I'm going to test x equals 1. So that's f of 1 equals 2 times 1 squared plus 8 times 1 minus 1. So 2 times 1 squared is 2 times 1, and 2 times 1 is 2, and 8 times 1 is 8, and then minus 1. So I have 10 minus 1, which is 9. That means my ordered pair that I'm graphing is 1, 9. So go right 1 and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there's a point right there. He is 3 away from the axis of symmetry, so go 1, 2, 3 on the other side, and you have enough for a pretty nice size parabola. Just kind of make a smooth connection. And there you go. You have graphed that quadratic.